Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve Roblox cannot switch account try login in directly problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or airplane mode just few seconds. Check internet connection on, tap on hold Roblox, click on app info or I button, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage, tap on clear data and tap on delete. Go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Roblox. Update Roblox app if available Play Store or App Store. Go to Roblox. Click on three dot menu. Click on switch account. Switch account problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.